Hey, good morning, fellas. Sorry I'm a little bit late. I was busy doing the opening range trade. Oh, shoot. Hey, good morning, Bob Means, Ajax Trades, Namak, Trader J, Tim, Win, Nicholas Conley, Lonnie Huff, good morning, Alan Sutton, D. Tucker, Lenert, David Gabriel, good morning, Trader J, good morning, Viter, good morning, John, good morning, Trip Moses, Eva Tompkins, good morning, Garrett, good morning. Let's do this. Let's have ourselves a day. We got some money to make today, folks. Fresh mind, Nutty. That's right. We got a fresh mind. I will say though, today might be a little bit crazy because right now I am trying to deal with Southwest. Hey, market is open for business. Trying to deal with Southwest Airlines and making sure all our ticket information is correct and yada yada. I might get interrupted a little bit here and there. So just FYI. Oh, right. Okay, market, what's the plan today? Are we going to keep going lower? We kind of had an overnight session that was pretty, not really that eventful, I guess, but had a move higher and then a move lower. We're opening at close to the lows of the overnight session. All right, here we go with the 60s. We will sit and observe. See if we want to go lower again today. Oh, it looks like she wants to go lower. See if we test, I don't know, the 630, 630, 640 area here. It's the overnight low. Big move down again right at the open, similar to yesterday. Let's see if it continues. All right, through the 40s, 35s now, and down to the 30s. How many mutes are we giving you today? I'm going to negotiate for unlimited mutes today. I need unlimited mutes. Mute prediction, you say 5. Oh, man. Man, I want to jump in here. Just go short the crap out of this. And now we're ripping higher. Lots of selling pressure. I'm not going to trade at the open. I know better. We're going to rip lower. Hey, good morning, Leah Vang. Sarah Saral, good morning. Oliver, good morning. Pan American Models, good morning. Orlando, good morning. Chet Mick, good morning. Good morning, everybody. R5 Studios, how we doing? Good morning. Well, seems to kind of be putting up a fight here at the 30s. Putting up a fight. Nah, never mind. The Bears said, okay, we're done. Let's rip this thing lower. Wow, look at that. Through the 610s. She just keeps going. Very similar to yesterday. Very similar to yesterday. 600's coming up next. There she goes. 600s have been touched. And we're not done yet. There she goes through the 590s. Man, this is where I just want to jump in, but I just haven't done it. But we're not going to chase it. We are not going to chase it. But man, that's a crazy sell-off again this morning. Hey, let's go, Steve Wilson. Thank you. Appreciate it. Neo, good morning. It's everyday sell-off. How you doing, Christian? Max P, good morning. Mind Body, good morning. GC, good morning. All right, let's look at the daily chart is looking very, very bearish. Very bearish. Next area of kind of support would be maybe the 500s, I guess. But again, like similar to yesterday morning, we barely even made a move. We didn't even make a move higher. It was just straight down. Just straight down. Wow, look at this. Through the 570s. Jeez. I mean, this thing is just, this is crazy. Through the 60s, we are at the 550s now. 10 minutes hasn't even gone by, and we have sold off 130 points. Impressive, market. I'm impressed. Out by me 1 million. I hope. Okay, now we're going to get a bounce very likely. The question is, how big will a bounce be? Curious if this is the bounce. Do we get a rip higher or not? Okay, this is the bounce. Man, I'm tempted here to jump in. But Davey, you're still short from 760 with one micro. Oh my gosh, what? That's awesome. 760. That is awesome. Oh, that's crazy. I'm just standing correctly. Man, I know I usually say not to trade during this, but hang on, I gotta take this. And we're back. And we're going higher. Okay, very interesting. Now I actually want to take a short here, but does seem a little bit risky. Wow, this does want to just keep ripping. Never mind. Never mind. Maybe we'll get a V-shaped reversal move here. This is definitely looking like one. Wow, what a move. What a move off the 50s. That's crazy. Wow, what a rip higher. Man, I'm glad I didn't jump in short right there. Ooh, that was close. Yeah, I must have shorted down here. True. Seems it's still looking to take below February 21st. Yeah, I don't know. It's definitely... I mean, now the longs kind of seem like an interesting move here. This could have been a play here to just kind of do a little bit of a fake out and then rip it higher, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. Wow, this is just gonna keep ripping? For real? For real? For real? Market sure loves to put in those V bottoms. Those V bottoms. Hey, Mario, good morning. Wow, there she goes. Remember yesterday when we ripped lower like this and then I tried to catch the V-shaped reversal? It would have never done this. Today, you try to go with the trend here, then you would get destroyed. It's just the market, you know? The market, I feel like the market is 90% random. Sometimes I feel that way. Actually, I think I kind of believe that. 90% random, and it's just a matter of get out of the way. Look at this move. I mean, this is from the 50s, and we are about to have a 100-point V-shaped bottom here. Good. Congratulations, market. Well, look who's here. What's the plan? You want to work? Do you want to say hi? Hi. Whee! Cody has a balloon. Whoa. Imagine the balloon comes down, hits my keyboard, and does max contracts or something. That would be fun. Tell him hi. Cody says bye. Ugh. Do you need my help?
Need help.
You need help. Okay, I'll be right back. We're back. All right, we didn't make it above the EMA really. Okay, market, what's the plan? Hey, Camber Trades, good morning. Tim, Neo. Hey, Neo, good morning. Hey, Carolina, good morning. They'll go to get his laptop out and get on the charts. Gotta teach him young, right? We gotta teach him young. How much does Apex pay me? Precisely $0.00. I get paid if someone uses my code. That's the only way I get paid. And I do appreciate it. People using my code, $3 at a time. If on a 50K on a 15%, I think it's like $3 something. But it adds up. It really does add up. And I really do appreciate people using my code. I really do appreciate it. Hey, thank you, Cyril. Using my code on 80 evals. You are awesome. Trick question. Apex pays you 18K. That's true. I'll take that back. So far, Apex has paid me 48,000. Ha ha ha. Hey, Trip Moses, you used my code. Hydro Farmer, thank you guys. That's awesome. I really do appreciate it. You know, you guys have a lot of different options on. You can use a lot of different codes. There's millions of codes out there that you can use. So if you choose to use my code, I feel honored. And I'm very grateful. Man, this thing it's just looking kind of bullish. Thank you, David. That's even more awesome. Wait, there's news in 4 minutes? What did I miss? Oh, existing home sales in 4 minutes. Thank you for that. Thank you, Mario. Hey, I appreciate it, David. I appreciate it. It's tempting here to jump in long, but now that I know there's news and I don't want to get in here ahead of news. Hey, Sorrel, I appreciate it. Thank you. That is my intent, to help people or people with questions, try to answer them. I'm buying your new truck $3 at a time. Let's go. Next 4-hour candle about to open. True. But here, the daily chart, it's kind of hard to, I mean, this is looking pretty bearish. But man, this bounce off the 51s here was that was brutal if you were short. Hey, Royal AI, good morning. How's the Lambo? Still haven't figured a way out to get inside. Still struggling with that portion of it, John. Anyone has any ideas, let me know. If I ever trade the pre-market, yeah, sometimes. I haven't in a while, though. I did not trade the overnight session. I was thinking about it, but I just didn't. I feel like you'll never get rid of this. I almost said it, but I didn't. Nope, not doing it. So much for that EMA on the daily. Yeah, I know, right? The daily chart, the 100 EMA is like, yeah, what's that? I don't care about that. All right, news coming out in 50 seconds. Hey, good morning, Tom Bray. Rig trades. How does Replicanto work? Rig trades. So basically, you can copy. If you have multiple accounts, you can have a parent account, and then you can have child accounts. And whatever trade you take on the parent account, it copies them over to your child account or follower account. Hey, my day trading journal. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, now we're just kind of stuck here. The 609s. News did not really do much at all. Didn't think it would. Now maybe we are going to push down again here. Maybe not. Man, still got a cough. Lost a PA, and now, of course, it's approaching my original entry. Of course it is, Orlando. Of course it is. That's standard procedure. It's crazy how that happens. So consistently, too. All right, we might take a stab here. Man, that was a terrible fill. Terrible fill. I'm going to kill this one pretty quickly. Very choppy right here. And I'm out. That was a, man, what am I doing? I'm not trading what I'm not. There we go. Through the 90s. Let's see if we test the lows here. Hey, cool kid. How we doing? ABZ mail boy, Mally boy. Oh, really? Now it's gonna do its move. This is the move here. Choppy market now. Choppy market. Lots of fake outs. Oh, wow. Look at that. Hey, Mark the Shark. Good morning. Excuse me. Hang on one second. Okay, we're back. Oh, all right, market. What's the plan? This thing is very temperamental here. Margo's, yeah, the renew is the same price, I think, not sure, but the PA activation is 140 or 25, about 150. Apex deducted 2,000 from my account. That means hopefully payment is approved on PA withdrawal. Yes, yes, MK, that is what it means. Congratulations, that's awesome. Oh, okay, here we go. Breaking out now up to the upside, of course, after getting stopped out. Wow, look at this rip. Big rip higher now. Bulls are in control. Man, it's tempting to jump in here, but I'm not. All right, let's see if this thing can continue. Are we going to get another? The Bulls definitely seem to be in control. All right. Yeah, we're just... They should have an option on past evals to open the PA and just reset the eval. So you can continue to build another PA instead of purchasing another eval. We're gonna hold it. See if we can't get a flush here. Flush it. Come on, market. What trade copier? I mean, I only use a trade copier on evals. The one I use is Replicanto. Come on. Flush it. Right here, right now. Let's go. Big rip lower. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. Come on. Oh, no. I don't want to see that. Don't want to see that. Okay. That was a little bit of a fake out. Come on, flush it. I feel like it's very much the, we could just see a big flush here. Maybe it's my bias. Come on. Okay. I might have to kill this. It just can't seem to do it. I probably might be a mistake here. We're gonna hold the line, hold the line. Come on, flush it right now. You can do it. Come on, rip it lower. It's starting to get. There we go. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. No, I don't believe in you. I take that back. I've gotten so close to killing this thing like multiple times. Oh man. Okay, I mean, as long as we don't breach this, I'm okay. I'm gonna hold it. But I'm getting worried. I don't like it. Man, this trade has been testing my patience for sure. The longer we sit up here, the worse I feel my odds are getting worse by the minute. Ugh, I'm trying to be patient though. But it looks like we kind of entered in a choppy area. All right, we rejected again. I mean, you'd think we were going to pull back a little bit more, but it doesn't. This EMA line is holding up really well. Okay, here it goes. This might be it, folks. This might be it. Yeah. Oh, man. As long as, I mean, we're gonna hold. I'm hope if this is a fake out, maybe this is the rip we get lower. Trap the bulls. Come on, man. Come on, market. You can trap him. Do it. And this might not end well, folks. Oh, come on, don't. This is not what we wanted to see. Ah. Okay. Yeah, this is not good. Oh man, oh man. Keeps teasing. You know what's going to happen, guys? I think we all know here what's going to happen. We're going to get up here and we're going to get stopped out and then we're going to reverse. We know that, right? Ugh. Ay, ay, ay. It is what it is. Okay, this thing gonna break out and now we're gonna get taken out. I've mentally accepted it. Mentally, I've accepted it. But I'm sticking with it. Hmm. Hmm. Feel like this thing's about to pop. That thing is gonna rip. I know it. I could. It's like the longest trade I've been in all week, I think. Maybe all month. And here we go. Is this the break? There she goes. It is what it is. We're going to take the L. Hmm. Go ahead, just take me out. It's fine. What a rip. Through the 15-minute opening range high. Now we're going above the 700s. Oh my gosh. Just. Man, oh man, this account. Rip this account. That's makes me sad though. Makes me sad. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that move. We did the V-shaped reversal this morning. We didn't do it yesterday morning when we were looking for it, but we did it this morning. You love to see it. uh, Look at her go. We are now at the 700s. This is impressive. If I'm wrong, this is how I want to be wrong. I want to be wrong, and I want there to be no doubt about it. Hmm. Well, now we're gonna have to. We're definitely gonna look for longs. I mean, we have to. But man, what a crazy. In hindsight, definitely. I should have at least taken some off here when I was a little bit in profit. Would have protected me a little bit. And now pulling back. Let's see if we can get in on it. This will probably be the top right here. Watch. I want to see how the daily chart looks now. Yeah, look, daily chart candle turning green, starting to put in a hammer. If we close at the highs today, we could see maybe this is the start of a move higher. Oh, excuse me. You will start the wrong path if I take any more trades. I mean, I'm not really that ups. I mean, I'm good. Mentally, I'm totally fine. This account, to be honest, is kind of on the fritz a little bit. And it's unfortunate, but yesterday, uh, it's unfortunate. This account I've had for a long time. I think I've had this account for 72 days, or it might even be more, but now we're definitely pulling back a little bit more. Pulling back. Hmm. And I don't know. Hmm. Wow, this market really is just bullish. Oh, yeah. We just got to believe it. I have a hard time sometimes believing what the market is showing me. It's like, hey, don't. Market wants to go higher. And I'm like, nah, can't be true. Gotta be going lower. Are there any other prop firms that offer 20 accounts like Apex, Oliver? Not any legitimate prop firms. Hey, we just smile and wave. Hey, Hard Hat Trading, how we doing? Thank you. Appreciate it. You know, a red day, what really helps a red day is just knowing that we succeeded our mission. Our mission in April it was to I was hoping to get a $20,000 payout. We're going to settle for 18,000. I am going to be totally fine with that. And I'm not going to let a red day the next 2 days or even whatever. It's not going to ruin my day. It ain't going to ruin my day. We are going to be good with it. Oh man. Wait, Tesla's down, market goes up. Hey, Shane Chase, trust me, I was there for many. It took me a year before I got to my first payout. So you want to talk about pain? I know all about pain. I know all about pain. How can I copy your trades with TradeZilla? How can I what? How can you First of all, it would be your worst decision ever to copy my trades, so don't do it. But how you can copy your trades? Do you mean like it? If you're asking just about copy trading, then it takes Replicon to it. There's multiple different options you can use to copy trades. But the copy trading people talk about, that's copying from one account to other accounts. Yeah, Black Master, I do use the 1 hour and the 15-minute. There we go. Let's see if we get above the 720s. Look at the 60-minute chart here. Obviously, the 760, 750 area here, this 800 area is going to be very, very important. Are we going to get there today? I don't know. I don't know. It definitely feels like this thing is, it wants to go higher. So I'm going to believe it. You convinced me, market. You convinced me. You mentioned a few times you pass evals on news events. What's your average win rate doing that? Craft Costanza. I don't know exactly the percentage, but again, I've shared before, but evals, there's no rules, okay? So if you use your imagination on a 50K account, you have 2,500 drawdown and you have a $3,000 profit target. You should be able to get a 50% pass rate, if you know what I mean. That is basically my goal. If I can do a 50% pass rate on evals, I am happy. I'm content with that. And now pulling back, but we're just, I'm going to take another trade today. If it's a loss, it is what it is. But I'm going to look for a long. If today feels like a daily doji, I don't know. It could be a nice hammer candle as well. Like on the daily chart, like this thing could turn into a pretty bullish hammer here. If we close at above 760, that's going to be interesting. Or we could just, reverse and just keep going lower. That, hey, there's three things that can happen. The market can go up, the market can go down, the market can go sideways. And I guess we just have to be ready for all three. Does Apex calculate a 30% rule based off of what's under the total P&L or gross? The total P&L, not the, well, I think it would be total P&L, right? Yeah, total P&L. You started your first combine in March and you haven't passed it. Is this normal? You restarted 2 times. So Mario, if I may ask, what size account are you using? You'd be wired. Look at that. Right back up. Okay, Mario, so on a 50K, okay, so you're on Top Step, Mario. Okay. On Top Step, then I guess I don't know as much about, yeah, it's probably cheaper to do a reset, I guess, yeah. But I mean, Mario, if you're just starting out with trading, here's what I would tell you. Use evals and keep your, really pay attention to your costs. So, and this is not me. Obviously, I use Apex, so I'm going to recommend you use Apex, but the main reason that I would recommend for you to use Apex is it's way cheaper. So the objective should be when you start out trading is to keep your cost as low as possible while you get screen time. So getting screen time for the lowest cost is very important if you're starting out. It just like keep, get plenty of screen time, because that is what will help you the most. Obviously, if you're very new, watch some videos on price action, the basic understanding of price action, that type of thing. If you find something that makes sense, go for it. But then regardless what strategy you decide to go with, you will still need screen time. Like screen time, you can't buy, and no one can teach you screen time. So you have to get screen time, and get screen time at your lowest cost. We become what we think about. Yeah, find a strategy. Like the whole strategy thing, I think, is, again, as a strategy that you feel confident in is probably the most important. Like, if you don't feel confident in a strategy, I can assure you it won't work. You have to have a strategy. I don't care if it's the simplest strategy known to man. If it makes sense to you and you feel confident in it, that will be that's very important. If you're confused about a strategy, you don't understand it, and you don't trust it, not going to work. Yeah, digital. Screen time. And that's why also, like, be careful with your expectations. Like, don't, there's a lot of gurus on YouTube that are trying to sell you something, and they're going to present it in a way that makes you believe, hey, if I just take and pay for this course, that is all I need. And once I just do that, I will become profitable. And you might even see other people that have taken said course and they're profitable, and you think, hey, I just do the same thing and it'll be easy. It does not work like that. So you have to get screen time. I would suggest sim account until profitable while trying to treat it as real as possible. Yeah, Lonnie Huff, I don't think there's anything wrong with starting out on a sim account. I always am a little hesitant because I feel like with a sim account, people, like new traders, they start out on a sim account and they trade their strategy or whatever they're trading, and they get it in their mind that it's easy, and they completely create a false sense of reality. Because we all know, like, if someone goes in and starts trading on a sim account with the right mindset and understanding that what they're doing on a sim account has zero correlation to what will happen on a live account, like, that has to be fully understood. And I've seldom see people on a on a sim account. They start out on a sim account. You see it all the time. They think they're just going to be able to move to a live account and do the exact same thing. Does not happen. It does not happen. So, but it is good to just have, I guess, to like gain confidence in your strategy. But for $33, you can get an eval. And to me, it is worth that investment to go through the mental part of trading when there's actually, you're making trades that matter. Like, to me, that $33 investment is worth it for your mental fortitude, like to understand how your brain works when you're actually in a trade when it matters. So, but yeah, I'm not against sim trading, but I always shake my head when I see these posts on Reddit about a 3 month, they've been trading on a sim account for 3 months and they've made $15 million and they think, this is easy. Like that is literally how they come across. And then it's like, dude, it's just, I cringe when I see that. Broken out again. Unreal. Above the 720s now. Ay, jeez. Jesus. I mean, I should be taking more trades. Feels bad. 730s. Here we go. Hmm. What a bullish move we had today. Big sell off at the open, and now we just whoop like it never happened. Crazy market. Crazy, crazy market. Hey, Depop, is anyone having problems executing orders today? I have not. In your opinion, which is the best size account? The 25K. I don't know. I feel like okay, getting a pullback here. I feel like it is the 50K, and here's why. I mean, I think the 25K, the profit to loss is 1-to-1, so that's great. But I always look at it as for X amount of dollars, I'm not sure the difference in dollars, but for a little more investment, I can gain $1,000 if drawdown. So to me, I always feel like the 50K is the best. Really, this is just going to go right back up? Hey, no problem. Hey, I'm sorry, Orlando. I currently have 525Ks, 250s. You switch to 25. Easier to get to target, but the drawback is you have to trade small because of drawdown. Yeah, exactly, QQ. And yeah, I mean, it's kind of a, I feel like the 25K and the 50K isn't like a huge difference, like, because there's benefits to both. And it kind of depends on how you trade in a way as well. Because it's easier to get to a payout. But yeah. Hmm. Oh, do I take a stab long here? It's a big wick here. Looks like the top of a mountain. Hmm. Man, I don't. I'm gonna wait a little bit, see if we can't test maybe the EMA. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot. This is might be our last trade of the day here. If we, I'm gonna look for a little bigger move, a little bigger target. Well, now this is where we want to roll over again. Okay, guess I wouldn't be shocked. All right, need this thing to rip. Give me a nice green boner candle here. Come on, rip it. Jeez. I need to go grab something in just a second. Let's go. Hey, I need to leave. I need to leave a little more often, right? I'm on hold currently, so I might, if I start mute, that's why. All right, we'll take it. Slow recovery. We got our work cut out for us today. I should have just like, when I look back on this day on my trades, I'm gonna have a lot of question marks. I'm not trading what I'm comfortable with trading, or I'm not, like right here. Right here, I don't know. Like I don't. I had no reason to be taking a trade right here, just none. But then here, once we broke above, once we broke above, we were obviously in an uptrend, and then I go against the trend. Hang on. Hey guys, I'm on a phone here now. I'm back on hold. So, Steven, see you gotten a payout. Will I have to get the account back up to 4K to be eligible for the next payout, or would I only be? Yeah, you just need to get it above 2,600. As long as it's above 2,600 and you've traded for 10 days, then and maintain consistency, you can request another payout. Hmm. That was not an accidental mute, by the way. It was not an accidental mute. I was on the phone. Okay? True story. It's a true story, folks. What a nice uptrend we have going on here. Very impressive. As soon as we pull back here, we're just going to jump in again. Oh, wow. It's not going to wait on me. Oh, Matty Matt. I'm sorry, bud. Wow, this market really just wants to go higher. And back up we go. This market is very bullish. I was muted. Maybe that was accidental. Maybe. Hey, Monkey Trades Futures, how we doing? Uh come on, pull back a little bit more. Jeez. Jeez, Louise. I hate when it just goes barely. I hate when this thing just barely pulls back and then keeps going higher. Ugh. Looks like that's what she wants to do. Man, I'm on hold. On hold for 18 minutes now. Good times. Come on, baby. Pull back. Come on. You can do it. Thank you. There we go. Little concern right here. Looks like we're losing some momentum here, so I don't know. Maybe I'll be a little careful. Man, this is. We just got to buy the dip. Close our eyes, buy the dip. This kind of market is great for lawnmower trades. You just enter on the pullbacks and then you go mow the lawn and you come back and it's profit hit. Target hit. Oh, I didn't even realize that ICT has graced us with his presence on a live stream. Or he did a live stream this morning. Wow, how lucky we are. What was the consensus? Does anyone know? Looks like it's going to go to Mars. I mean, if you look at the 60-minute chart, it doesn't look that this doesn't look that bad, to be honest. This looks like just another pullback, and we could easily make another leg lower. So, and now we are getting a little bigger pullback here, folks. Hold on. Now we want to be careful. Now I want to almost look for a short here. If we'd come back and test and then we start going lower, I'm going to take a short. We are moving lower. Who was saying they're short? Sharuz? He called a short? ICT did? Where? Like from when? At the open or like right now? This could be a trap for shorts. This could be a trap, so let's wait. Let's wait and be patient. Okay, I am been on hold now for 23 minutes. Here we go. We're going lower, folks. It does appear that way. Okay, now we're off the phone. Hallelujah. So, finally got that information, and I got some work to do. Also, an update on tomorrow. So, for those that are not aware, next week I'm not going to be here. We are getting ready for a mission trip to Jamaica next week. And tomorrow, our flight is leaving at 8 o'clock in the morning, Saturday morning. But basically, tomorrow is going to be a crazy day in just finalizing a lot of things, getting a lot of things ready for packing. It's just a lot going on. So I am not going to stream tomorrow. Today's going to be the last day of streaming for basically a whole week. It's kind of crazy. Can't believe it's already here. But it's a Jamaica. Yeah, man. But we're going to Jamaica. It's to support Jamaica Relief Ministries is the mission. We're going down as our youth. We're youth sponsors, and we're going down with our youth. And we're going to be building a home for a needy family down there. So it's going to be, we basically do that for the first 3 days. We build a home, and then we have one day where we just do some mission work. We visit different orphanages and that stuff. And then on Friday, we have our free day. So Friday we'll be spending just exploring the island, exploring Jamaica, going on a boat ride of some sort. So I'm excited and very nervous. We're in charge of the trip. So we need to, it's going to be an ordeal. We have 31 youth that we're responsible for. So prayers for safety is appreciated, very much appreciated. And hopefully we can have a good time and be an encouragement to people down there. And then also just be safe. Watch out for the thieves. Yeah, we hear about that. We'll definitely, obviously the mission field down there really helps us kind of where not to go and what to, just to be safe and that type of thing. So yeah, I know, Oil Prospector. We went through the warning, all that. I think we're good. But yeah, I'm excited and nervous at the same time, if that makes any sense. Oh, really? You're from Jamaica? Oh, that's awesome, Clarity. So we are going to be flying into Montego Bay, and then the Jamaica Relief Ministries is the mission field trip, or the mission that we will be serving under. I'm not 100% sure where that's going to be, but we'll find out. Thank you, Methodical Man. Youths. My cousin Vinny the movie. Yeah, deal. Not that I say something wrong again. No, we are not going to go over the Aladdin issue again. We can't do it. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. The island, I hear a lot of people. Everybody says how beautiful it is down there. So I will make sure we take time to enjoy that as well. Check out Dunn's River Falls. Okay, we might. I think we have like a boat ride scheduled that takes us in a lot of different places around the island. So hopefully that's included. But yeah, I will. Of course, me being a redhead, I'll be wearing 50. I'll be just taking a bath in 50 SPF sunscreen every day, or I'm going to just get absolutely toasted. So hopefully I don't come back and look like, I was deep fried. Yeah, we'll be ginger toast. What EMAs are those on the chart? This here is the 21 EMA. This is the VWAP. Yeah, man. Get the phrasing correct. Okay, your girlfriend lives in Barbados. Barbados. The River Falls is a must see. Okay, okay, good to know. I'll turn into Toasty Nutty. True. All right. Market is starting to just kind of bleed lower, so I think it's time to look for shorts if we're still looking for something to trade. Oh, man. Yeah, clarity. We have plenty of sunscreen. Hey, you forecasted your first payout from 150K, having 5,100 in profits. That's awesome. Awesome. Congratulations. Can't I trade now until I get approved? Please don't. No, please do not do it. If you trade and lose and your balance goes below 5,000, your payout will get rejected. So do not trade until the funds are taken out of your account. That would be my advice. Barbados. Thank you. Thank you, Trader's Chick. I need, I'm terrible at that. Barbados. I got it now. Thank you, DL. As you guys know by now, my pronunciation of words could use improvement. Although I will argue that I do say the number before 12, I do say correctly. You guys are just memeing. You guys are just memeing me on it. Okay? Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Barbados. Who takes the 300K options? Nah, or the 300K. I don't know who does that, but not me. Hang on, I got to talk to the wife. All right, I'm back. All right, guys. I need to end the stream here. I got things in stuff that I gotta get done. And I'm just gonna be distracted. So I guess this is goodbye for what is it? Goodbye until April 29th. Oh man, I'm gonna miss you guys. So I might try to do a scheduled uploaded video in the middle of next week. I'm gonna try and record a video and upload it next week sometime. I don't know. I guess we'll see if I get that far. But yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna be in Jamaica next week. So take care, everyone. I hope you all have a great week next week. I hope you all stay green, and God bless. Take care. See you guys later.